Hey there. So today we will be talking about social media marketing, its uses, why it is important. We all know that आज के दिन में your business has to be online. Online marketing has become the most important part for any kind of businesses. Bill Gates once said, if your business is not online, your business will be out of business. So you can understand online marketing कितना important है. सो सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग लाइक फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम ये सिर्फ चिट चैट के लिए नहीं रहा है इट्स अ वेरी गुड फॉर्म ऑफ बिजनेस इन नाउअडेज so to start social media marketing you have to be really consistent you have to share quality content every day with your audience has to share a very good warm relationship with you so they can understand you better they can trust you better and इसके लिए sharing content is very important being consistent is very important now you can imagine or you can think कि मेरे को 30 days का बनाना है 30 days का भेजना है and suppose you have to send content every day at sharp 11 a.m. Now at times it becomes very difficult for us to share content every day on a daily basis and at a particular time. It becomes very difficult to be very honest. So what can be done? So there are a few tools where you can automate all your posts and few tools are free, few tools are paid, but I will be talking about the free tools only. So there is a tool called Buffer. Let me just show you in a different, yeah. So this is Buffer. It's a tool. They have both chargeable and free, of course. So if you can go to the pricing, you will be able to see. You can see it's $15 per month. Start a free trial 14 days and then here it's written at the end of your trial you may downgrade to our basic free plan. So on this free plan you will be allowed to add up to 3 social media account and you can schedule 10 posts. So isn't it great? आप 10 दिनों तक at least 10 posts you can schedule here and then after 10 days again you can schedule more 10 posts. At least 10 दिनों के लिए you will be out of it. So all you need to do is you need to create an account here. So you can just click here, start a free 14-day trial. Let me show you this. So this is account that I am creating. I have an account with a different work email, but this is my personal ID. So I will just create an account to show you how does it look and how to start. So I'll click on sign up. Now, how did you first hear about us? You can write anything you want. Maybe I'll just write social media post. Which option best describes your business? You have to tell about your business. So maybe I'll tell anything. I'll tell agency or marketing consultant since we are into digital marketing. So I can say this is the best option for me. So how many people work in your company? Anything you can write. I'll just write 5 to 50 employees and then continue. So here my account has been created. Now all I need to do is I need to connect my social media account. So I can connect up to 3 accounts for free trial. So here you can see what are the options. You can connect Facebook page, you can connect Facebook group, Instagram business, Instagram personal. You can connect Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, anything you want to create, you can create here. And once you connect, all you need to do is you need to schedule your post here and set the timing, set the date, and it will post on your behalf automatically. So you don't have to stress about post हुआ है कि नहीं, timely post हुआ है कि नहीं. You don't have to take any stress. Buffer will do its work. All you need to do is since it's a free account, so आपको सिर्फ 10 days तक का ही मिलेगा. So 10 days तक का आप एक बार में schedule कर सकते हैं. So on the ninth day, you're going to have to schedule for more 10 days. So in this way, you can just carry on. I hope this video will help you. Do let us know if you find any difficulty. Thank you.